I cannot see through the Viewmaster. You can see that this is falling apart, so this is going to be, this is the major reason why we decided to make new shutters, and we will show you the end result. You can see here how warped this old shutter is. There is literally many inches here, many inches here. So it was warping enough that it was very visible from the outside. That's why we needed to build new shutters. And here are our finished shutters, painted black to match the other trim, and what is left now is just to put them up and hang them. So in order to avoid making more holes on the building, we're going to use the old shutters as a template, and we're going to drill holes into the new shutters for our screws. That way we'll have them in the same spot, and also the screws will go in easier. We're going to start the screws. Honey? Before we take the shutters to the wall, and we want them to protrude just a little bit underneath. Do you want them more? And that would allow us to align this shutter to the wall much easier. In our case, we wanted the shutters to be black to match the house, but you can leave the cedar untreated or paint it any color you want. And now we're ready, as soon as we finish with this screw, to hang them up on the wall. The shutters are installed and they look excellent. I'm very pleased with how they came out, and much less expensive than if I've hired this job out. On the front in the house, we remove the shutters, and I'm going to build the shutters for this one, and we are going to go through that process as well. Hello friends, we are finishing the shutter project, and I wanted to show you that the two windows have drastically different size of shutters, and I'm not going to go over the whole process of building the shutter again, but I will show you how you need to adjust so the dimensions will look correct between the two shutter styles and the two shutter sizes without altering how the shutter looks from a distance, so they would look like they're matching, because they are.
Yep.
As you see, we cut exactly on the line that shows you how much off the laser indicator is. So do not use the laser indicator on your tools, but rather just bring the blade down to the line you want to cut. This is a very good cut. Because of the difference in size in the solderers, as we saw earlier, we need to take about an inch out of each board in every board, so while the design remains the same, the proportions look correct. So you need to adjust when you make solderers and realize that not every window will be the same size, and you need to make adjustments based on what looks good. We experimented and we found out by taking 1 inch of each board makes our solder look very balanced, as you have seen before. So all your boards should be cut widthwise by 1 inch, and then you will be able to build your solder. Hi friends, so we took the old solders down and look at how horrible they were. Look at the condition they were. They were really needed to be replaced. They look actually close up much worse than they looked up in the house. And we finished building and painting the 2 new solderers. And as you can see, these are not as big as the other ones we built for the side of the house, but they are the same style. And they're going to take a little time to dry, and then in the next few days we'll put them up and I will keep you updated.